Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn about variables. So whenever you want to store the data, so you need variable to hold the data. So think of a variable like container. Where in that container you can put anything. Okay. Suppose you have a student and then you want to store its name. Then how you can do it? So name is like a string. So I will just write string name is equal to, let's say my name is Amit, and then I want to store the age as well. So age is an integer. So I will just use int a is equal to 20. And let's say we are also storing the grades. So you can store the grades with a char. So char will hold a one character. So let's say I have got East grade. Hmm. And now suppose I want to track the attendance as well. So you can use float as well. Attendance is equal to 95.5%. So in order to store that float, you need to write F as well. And now suppose you want to store the value of a pi. So you can store it with help of double. Let's say pi is equal to 3.14 and any another number. So as you can see, attendance and pi both hold the same floating point numbers. But the major difference between them is that double is of 64 bit, that it is more precise than the float. So it also saves the memory. Um, Float is also 32 bit, so it saves the memory. So whenever you do not require any kind of precision, so you can use float. Otherwise, double is good to use. Okay, so I think this cover all the major one, and there is a boolean as well. Like boolean, uh, let's say is class monitor. As you can see, I am using this camel case. So the camel case states that the first letter should be small, and then if there is another letter, then that should be start with the capital one. So class monitor, that C and M both are in uppercase. Okay, so this is the camel case syntax that we are using in Java. So in that case, I can say that no, this is not the class monitor. Hmm. I think these are the data types that we will use going on. I think these are the only data types that we are going to use. So let's print them. So you can use out. This is the IntelliJ shortcut to print this system.out.println. And then I can just say hello. And then I can print my name. And then let's run this first. So if I will run this, so you can say I can just see I have got this hello man. And now let's quickly do Control D to duplicate the above line. So and now is equal to 8, and I have grade as well. Grade is equal to grade, and then attendance. You can fast forward this one. This one will be easier to see. And then pi and its class monitor. Okay, pi. Okay, that's class monitor. Let's copy and paste it. Okay, now let's run this program. So as you can see, we are using most of uh, these data variable types. in order to store our data. So this is hello Amit, your age is 28 and your grade is A, attendance is 95.5, pi is 3.14, and his class monitor is 4. Okay, thanks guys. Bye bye. Happy coding.